make off formals. That's what Ian did. Anthony said, "Ew, Ian, did you drink your own piss?" Even an imaginary person told him to drink his piss.
What's a piss?
Piss is your pee. Ian thought he was stuck out in the wilderness.
Yeah?
Yeah, so that's why. Anthony even saw him.
And there's no place to go.
He needs to talk.
No place to go. All of the confusions and illusions. Got nowhere to go. What happened to you? There's more garlic bread if you want.
Garlic bread!
Amo mo kay tambok yun. What are you doing? You're dancing? There's no way to go, no way to go. All of the confusions and illusions, got nowhere to go. You're just so funny when you're eating. Your face. What are you looking at?
Picture. Checking if there's some person there.
Hello. Wow. Are you saying whoa? Because that's there. That's scared pa. Wow. There's someone behind you. There's someone behind you. There's a white lady, very long hair.
I know who is it.
And has red eyes. It's like almost going out.
See, told you.
She's on your left side. Other side. Other side. No!
Mm. Also, outside, drink your own piss.
No thanks.